Hello, let's learn how to tell the time. The first thing is, what's this thing on the screen? What do you call this? It's a clock. The clock has two hands. These nice arrows, oh, it's moving, are called hands. So there is a short hand, it's red, and there is a long hand, it's blue. The long hand tells you the minutes, and the short hand, the red one, tells you the hour. So now, we will always in this video keep the long at 12. Now, we will just focus on the short one. So the short one tells you the hours. So now the red one is pointing at 4. Did you notice? Can you see it? Yes, it's pointing at 4. So what's the time? It's 4 o'clock. And what's the time on this clock here? The red is pointing at 8. So it's 8 o'clock. And what's the time here? Where is the red? Oh, it's hiding. We can see you. It's pointing at 12. Did you see it? So it's 12 o'clock. Now, how do we write these? Let's go back to the first one, to the left. The red hand is pointing at 4, the short hand. So we said this is 4 o'clock. This is how you write 4 o'clock. You write 4, you write 2 nice dots and 0, 0. Ta-da! Good job. This is 4 o'clock. Now the next one here, the short hand is pointing at 8. So it's 8 o'clock. How do we write 8 o'clock? It's 8 and 0, 0. Now, the hiding hand, the red one, it's pointing at 12. So it's 12 o'clock. How do we write 12 o'clock? Do you want to try it yourself? Okay, I'm counting to 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. So 12 o'clock is, yes, 1, 2, and then 0, 0. 12 o'clock. Good job. Now let's look at the next one. Oh, it's a nice colored clock. Let's play with this hand. Ding, ding, ding. Yeah, it's moving. It's fun, isn't it? What's the time? Just look at the short hand. It's pointing at 11. So it's 11 o'clock. This is how you write 11 o'clock. Write 11 and then 0, 0. Now it's your turn. Try this one. I'll move the red hand. Just be ready. The red hand is moving. The short hand is moving. Ta-da! So it's stopped here. What's the time? Yes, 1 o'clock. Good job. That's it. Did you get it? It's easy. Did good job today. Bye.